All right, shalom, shalom. All praises, honor, and glory go to Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem HaKakodash. Double honors unto the apostles and elders of Great Millstone who teach this truth, 100% truth of the Bible. Shalom to you brothers out there on the highways and byways and hopeful elect out there. All right, it's official. NASA discovered another Earth. And for those of us who are in this truth, we already knew there's other things out there, other worlds, other planets. What's funny about this one is I actually had a dream where I was, standing looking up in the sky, and it was like a 3D something like coming through our atmosphere, and it looked like a different Earth, and it had like this, more of a greener looking water, like the beaches were more of that green, still cool, nice looking, but it was like the vision was telling me like, this is out there and it's ready. And it's funny because it looks similar to what this Kepler 1649 looks like. Astronomers have discovered a planet nearly the same size as Earth that orbits in its star's habitable zone where liquid water could exist on its surface. The presence of liquid water also indicates the planet could support life. This newly found world, Kepler 1649c, is 300 light years away from Earth and orbits a star that is about 1/4 size of our sun. What's exciting is that out of all the 2,000 plus exoplanets that have been discovered using observations from the Kepler Space Telescope, this world is most similar to Earth, both in size and estimated temperature. An exoplanet is a planet that's outside of our solar system. Okay? This intriguing distant world gives us a greater hope that a second Earth lies among the stars, waiting to be found, says Thomas Zurbuchen, Associated Administrator of NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington, D.C. Although NASA said there are other exoplanets estimated to be closer to Earth in size, and others may be closer to Earth in temperature, there are no other exoplanets that's closer to Earth in both of these values that also lies in the habitable zone of the system. This newly revealed world is only 1.06 times larger than our own planet. Also, the amount of starlight it receives from the whole star is 75% of the amount of light Earth receives from our sun, meaning the exoplanet's temperature may be similar to our planet as well. All right, I ain't gonna go into all that, but yeah, man, it reminds me of a vision I had. I believe it's been a couple of years now, and visions let me know that this stuff is out there, and Esau wishes he can get to these places, but it's impossible for him. But let me get this real quick. John 14:2. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. Now, when you think of my Father's house, which is, the Most High, Yahweh, his house is everything. It's the universe, everything he created. So when you think about many mansions, that can easily be other planets. Mansions doesn't necessarily, it's not what we think of mansions here on Earth. It can be, other planets, other solar systems. I mean, they're already saying like there's solar system within solar systems, and billions of solar systems with even more planets in those solar systems. I mean, this stuff goes on forever, and the scriptures also talk about, uh, us Israelites are going to be like the sand of the sea. It's like, can you imagine, like, when you think about the grains of sand, like, go to the beach and take a handful of sand, and just the amount of sand that's in your hand, like, it's innumerable. Like, you can't count that, like, each individual grain. So when you think about, we're going to be like the sands of the sea, like, you can't fit all of us on earth. We're going to have to go out into the universe. And that's what this is talking about. The Lord is creating, he's preparing a place for you. So, it's only natural that we're going to have to expand, and it's all going to be for us Israelites. All praises to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai. So that's what that's talking about. It's these other planets and solar systems, and and we're gonna have rule over these things, And there's a reason Esau, can barely even get out of the atmosphere. It's not meant for him. But anyway, I just wanted to share that real quick. Yeah, man, and there's many more. There's the universe is probably limitless. You can't put the Most High in a box. So, give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai, B'Hashem Rakakodash. Shalom, brother. Shalom.